name is Trudy Way, and I'm a Young Living independent distributor. And today I wanted to talk to you about the benefits of becoming a Young Living member. It's sort of like Costco. We buy wholesale, right? It's the same with Young Living. You get 24% off each item you purchase. So it just makes sense. And to do that, you need to buy a premium starter kit. This is the Young Living Premium Starter Kit. They have several different types, but this is, I think, a great one to start off with because it has all the essential oil. Not all the essential oils, forgive me, but it has 12. You get this pack, you get a diffuser, and there's several to choose from. This I happen to have. I like it a lot because it's very simple. You just take the lid off, pour some water in, your essential oil, plug it in, turn it on, and you're ready to go. And here is this beautiful kit. You open it up, and inside you find, first of all, 10 essential oils. And they're one of the favorites that you'll use a lot. There's Citrus Fresh, Valor, Digize, Frankincense, Lavender, Thieves, Raven, Peppermint, Panaway, and Lemon. So you get those 10 right there, and then inside here you have another 2 bonus ones, Stress Away and Peace and Calming. Now with these you get these great little roller ball inserts. So you take the lid off and you screw this roller ball in and screw it on with the lid, and then you have a roll on. So you can just take those with you and roll on wherever you want for peace and calming or stress away. And then we have the Ninja Red. These are great drinks. They're great supplements. In here I take them to the pickleball court with me, stick them in the refrigerator. They're much better with that. And also a great refreshing afternoon drink is these on with ice with Jade Lemon or some other Vitality oil. They're really fabulous. Anyway, these are power packed with wolfberries and superfruits. So this is a great pick-me-up during the day. And then we have a sample of the Thieves Household Cleaner, which this is only a 1 fluid ounce, but believe me, this will last you a long time because it's highly concentrated. So if you fill a squirt bottle with water and pour this in, it'll last you for a long time. Then last but not least, we have Thieves Water Hand Purifier, which I can't say enough about. And you see how small it is. It's great because you can put it in your purse, stick it in your pocket. You can give it to your kids to take to school. It's just a great hand purifier, and it isn't drying like most of them because it has aloe in it. So that is the Premium Starter Kit. It's a great value. You can only buy it when you become a member. So I invite you to take a look at my website, give me a call or email me, and I'll help you decide how you're going to go about this. Thank you for listening.